Good afternoon. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are talking rates. 10-year note yields still in that range, but nearing the top of it. The most recently newly founded range, 240 to 250 yield. We are trading around 248, kind of nudging up against the top of that yield, but nothing really that shows fear that we're going to break out of that range. Certainly nothing that suggests that the market's looking for anything that's not already in the tea leaves. We do have supply this week. That could be one of the reasons why we're seeing treasuries get cheapened up a bit, but we are still in that range, still having trouble breaking out, still kind of waiting for the next IT event in the treasury market. And if you can guess, volatility, while we remain inside the range, continues to go lower. And actually it's just holding on the lows. It really isn't trending lower. Like the dollar in 2017, treasury volatility was not a very good year to be a long treasury volatility in 2017, and that continues as we kind of hover on the lows. Remember, treasury volatility has been trending lower ever since the Fed got fully involved in the credit markets and hasn't really been able to get out. Yeah, they're starting to do that, but it's baby steps, and market volatility still reflects the fact that while the Fed's involved, there can be no fear in the market. And lastly, if we look at what's ahead this week, well, we've got inflation data coming up and we've got treasury supply. So two things on the calendar that will probably keep the market from really making any big moves. Yes, we should see the yields push higher. We'll test that 250 level. Whether we get through it and hold on a sustained level to prove that we can break out of this range has yet to be seen. Likewise, as we get into the middle of the month after this, things will quiet down on the economic calendar. We'll go back to looking at Fed speakers as we await Janet Yellen's final FOMC meeting at the end of January. So right now, Treasury is still holding in the range, inflation down, but we do have data and supply this week, which could change that. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.